Your digital keys. Please take care of your personal belongings.
Losing everything you've ever known. It's bittersweet, so bittersweet. When passion and kindness is all you've ever shown. It's bittersweet. You don't love
I lost everything I ever known. Change is a part of life, ain't nothing ever set in stone. I'm wondering what the F went wrong, cause some days I can't take it, I just wanna be left alone. See, I was building up my stepping stones, then I fell off. The shit looks so unprofessional. I'm not ashamed, I'ma let you know, cause every boss take a loss, but I gain more, and that's for sure. And don't forget, when you grind it in the streets, it's people that'll try to take your kindness for a weakness. You can feel the passion when I rhyme or when I'm speaking. Niggas always planning, but I can see it freezing. I got nothing left, tell me what can I lose? Feeling like it's no hope, so I'm tucking a tune. Smoking weed every day, it give me something to do. The taste is bittersweet.